So I just got home from my first welding class. It's currently 10:36 at night. We didn't do any welding, surprise, surprise. First day of school, you know, you gotta go over the handbook and rules and don't be tardy and all that crap. So a lot of stuff. We got our lockers, we're getting our kits tomorrow with all of our materials. Yeah, we are supposed to possibly weld by the end of class tomorrow, which means Saturday could possibly be filled with welding, and I can't wait. I'm just ready to go, but I will fill you guys in after tomorrow. It's me, guys. So as you just saw, I had my first class last Wednesday. Today's Tuesday. I didn't get a video up. I have honestly been so exhausted. I slept Saturday night into Sunday morning like I haven't slept since high school. Yeah, it's killing me, but it's so much fun. I feel like it's been forever, but we're actually gonna do some car stuff today, and by we, I'm actually gonna do car stuff. Javier's been doing car stuff like nonstop. First up's an oil change on the CRV because it's been a minute, and then we might have some fun with the Prelude because we got some new stuff for it. Javier found some stuff at a junkyard that I'm pretty excited for. We've got new taillights because mine are a little bit like fogged and whatnot. New headlights just to see if they're in better condition and whatnot. The little vents for the Prelude currently have some like cracking and damage, so we got new ones of these. We also got a new trunk, which I wanted to test my theory on this tub of towels. Looks so much better than like that. This piece is in much better shape, and it has holes drilled for a wing because we got a wing. Obviously colors don't match, but I'm most likely going to be wrapping this anyways. I just need to find a new bumper because this one still looks like a dog chewed on it. If you guys haven't seen that before, it literally looks like the dog chewed on it. So gotta fix that up. I mean, these headlights are glass and they're in pretty good shape. I mean, honestly, they might just need like a little wet sand and buff, but if we have these ones to switch out, I was trying to get these, but they weren't in any better condition than the other ones. I want to do the conversion to get the white or clear for those, but we've got to fill up the tires, and we were talking about possibly taking it for a spin. My stepdad doesn't have, you know, the best advice always, but he's like, I mean, if it's just seals, maybe they'll expand and fix themselves as you know, heat up the engine. So we thought about going for a drive, seeing if the smoking stops at all or whatnot. So yeah, that's where we're at. Where else would we be on a Saturday besides Advance? Just a quick funny story. Before I started modifying my car, there was a time I did an oil change in my parents' barn with it on the ground because it sat so high. Okay, so I had told you on the hood that the trunk that we got, like this section is way better than what's on it. So I figured I'd show you why I say that. You can see there's like, I mean, the paint's bad on this, but all of this. I don't want to have to worry about that, and we don't want to have to drill holes for the wing. So, new trunk. Javi already started kind of disassembling some of the stuff for this so that we can move forward. I was going to go ahead and change all this out, and then he reminded me that if we wrap it, we have to take it all off. We were talking about doing the sunroof, and I said maybe we'll wait and take this off when we wrap it too, so we can just put one square on top and cut it and then set the new one on it. So first things first, we're gonna go ahead and clean this trunk up. I used just a tub of towels, and like here it made like a huge difference, obviously. So yeah, let's do it. I don't know about you guys, but I think that's a pretty good improvement. Next is to clean the wing. Yay! Moment of truth. Does it latch and unlatch? This is so exciting. Guys, look at this little booty. Look at it. Look at it. On camera, it almost looks like similar color. Like from this angle, you can kind of see that it's white, but I got a booty.